Making your art portfolio is never easy, but with the right guidance and help, you can create your portfolio showcasing your skills and style. We at Artist 360 ensure that you have the proper resources to build your best art portfolio and apply to your top universities. With one-on-one mentoring sessions to brainstorming ideas, we ensure that we help you develop your skills as an artist and create style with ethics and world art awareness. Our professional teachers help you curate your portfolio with your style and ease. Our students have been accepted into world's top art design and schools such as Parsons, Pratt, SAIC, and many more with scholarships. If you are looking to create one-of-a-kind of art portfolio, contact Artist 360 on info@artist360.com.